Are you excited about your air travel, or are you nervous about your first air travel? So in this video, I'm going to share with you some important tips and step-by-step procedure before you board your first international flight. So let's take a look at it. And please watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on any important points. So this is the Delhi airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport. So the first important tip before you book your flight is confirming your passport and visa validity. Make sure you have a valid passport and visa that is not expired or not approaching its expiry anytime soon. Book your flight. Make sure you enter all the required details correctly and print out the e-ticket. You can get your e-ticket on email as well. Make sure you confirm the luggage per the dimensions provided. Do not pack any restricted items. You can get the list on Google or on airline's website. Do not pack any chargers in check-in bags. This is very important. Liquids 100 ml or less are allowed on carry-on. Make sure you reach the airport 3 hours before your scheduled time. You have to do the check-in, security, immigration, and all these could take long. Reaching earlier will give you enough time at the airport. Sometimes there are long walks to the gate, and so give yourself enough time without any rush. At several airports, the security guard checks your passport and e-ticket at the airport entrance. Okay, so before we enter the airport, at the entrance we have to show the passport and the e-ticket or the printout of the ticket, and they are checking it there at the entrance. So we have now entered the Delhi airport after our checking at the entrance, and now we are going to go to our counter to check in our bags. If you have a lot of luggage, you can get the trolley or the cart at the airport and keep your luggage. You can also hire the porter service if needed. Hope you are finding this video useful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. As you can see, there are kiosks at the airport, and this is the self-check-in. So we have the currency exchange over here. So if you want to convert the currency, this is the right time to do that. Business class and economy queues are separate. Based on your airline and class, stand in a line for checking in your luggage and get the boarding pass. So they'll be weighing our luggage over here, and for Air India it is 32 kgs for the business class, and this is where we'll be getting our boarding passes as well. Tags will be put on your luggage. At many airports you get the tags for your carry-on as well. This time you can request the window seat or any preferred seat. Now you will get the boarding pass. So now is the time for immigration. Make sure you have all valid documentation with you ready, along with the boarding pass. Keep your documents handy so that you can easily show them without any hassle at the last minute. So we are now going to the security, and this is an important step. All our cabin baggages will be scanned here, and we will be scanned here as well. So here is the security. Now we are at the security check. Make sure you take out all your electronic devices, chargers out in the tray. You will also be asked to keep your jacket, shoes, the belt in the tray. Ladies and gents are screened in separate lines. So Before entering the duty-free shopping, these are the duty-free stores. We came through the security, you can see at the end. We came through that, and prior to that we had an immigration. I couldn't take any video or pictures for immigration due to security reasons. So now we are here at the duty-free shopping at Terminal 3. So I'll show you some stores here and look at the beautiful stores. So there are some nice cosmetic stores over here, very good brands, and this is the duty-free shopping. Let's take a look at it. After the duty-free shopping, now we are going to the Air India lounge. If traveling by business class or first, these services are complimentary. You can watch my video on Air India lounge at Delhi T3. Video link is also provided in the comment section. Your boarding pass should tell you the gate and the boarding time. If you are in the lounge, then they will announce your boarding. There are various display boards at the airport, so you can keep track of that on the display boards as well. So we can see that in this lounge there are different display boards, and there are also some magazines over here and the newspaper to read. So this lounge is really beautiful. Now here is a bonus for you. Do watch my video on Air India business class experience from Newark to Delhi. I've shared some important tips and my experience and wonderful business class experience in this video. So as you can see, here is the food court at the top. So as you can see, the flight information is available on various displays, and we have to go to gate number 1 for our Air India flight to Newark. So we are going to gate number 1 to board the flight AI 105 to Newark from Delhi. At Delhi airport, we had to go through one more screening prior to boarding the flight. This time we were asked not to take out any items in the tray, but all our luggage was screened and we had to go through the screening as well. By the way, they can change your seats at this point as well. Now this is the final time you will be showing your boarding pass. You will be directed towards your seat. You can keep your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin. The tray table comes out of the armrest. Now let's see what's here inside. Here is the reading light and the AC vent. Then you can just enjoy your flight. So now is the time to relax and enjoy your journey. Have a safe flight. Let me show you some interesting clips now. Hope you like this video. and found this informative and useful. So please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.